LlamaIndex 2025. Opening. LangChain versus LlamaIndex. Which framework should you pick in 2025? Let's break down how each excels and when to use them. Section 1. Core focus and recent upgrades. LangChain is built around orchestration. Its strength lies in constructing complex, multi-step AI workflows through modular chains, agents, memory systems, and robust integrations. In 2025, LangChain introduced LangGraph, an execution engine offering advanced control over branching logic and multi-agent orchestration. Late node, LlamaIndex, on the other hand, is designed for document indexing and fast, accurate retrieval. In 2025, it achieved a 35% boost in retrieval accuracy thanks to new embeddings and re-ranking algorithms. It also introduced better parsing for multi-format documents and added multi-document reasoning agents. Retrieval speeds are up to 40% faster than LangChain in benchmarks. Late node, Section 2, Integration and Workflow. LangChain is ideal for dynamic workflows, especially when integrating APIs, databases, external tools, or combining multiple LLM agents. It's perfect for applications needing sophisticated logic, error handling, memory, and orchestration. Late node, LlamaIndex shines when your goal is efficient RAG, retrieval augmented generation. With its rich set of data connectors and smart chunking strategies, it's optimized for indexing diverse document types and executing precise, context-aware search queries. Late node, Section 3, Performance, Accuracy, and Benchmarks. In raw speed and accuracy for RAG tasks, LlamaIndex outperforms LangChain with significantly faster retrieval times and higher precision. Late node, LangChain's strength remains in advanced logic execution and multi-turn dialogue capabilities, but doesn't match LlamaIndex in pure retrieval performance. Late node, Section 4, Developer Experience. LangChain offers generous integrations and abstracted agent chains, but its flexibility brings complexity. The learning curve is steeper. Xenos LlamaIndex is more straightforward for RAG tasks. Developers can quickly build document-aware applications with its ingestion and indexing tools. OpenXL. Section 5, Use Cases. LangChain is your go-to for AI agents with memory, tool orchestration, APIs, DBs, complex workflows, e.g. automated reasoning, chatbots. LlamaIndex is ideal for enterprise knowledge search, legal or technical document retrieval, real-time, precise answers from large corporatas. And yes, a hybrid approach is increasingly popular. Use LlamaIndex for retrieval and LangChain to orchestrate downstream logic. Late node, Closing recommendation. In 2025, picking between LangChain and LlamaIndex depends on your needs. Want deep logic, agent workflows, and control? Use LangChain. Need fast, accurate document retrieval? Choose LlamaIndex. Need both? Pair them for best-in-class RAG pipelines. Let me know in the comments which one you're using, or if you plan to combine both in your next project.